Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use vocoder on this audio in Audacity. So first let's check what is it. So I click on this one audio and I click play button to listen it. It is simple testing recording 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if I would like to edit it, I need to click on this one track, and after that I need to go to effect. I need to go to distortion and modulation, and I need to select here vocoder. So I open settings of this effect, and then you can modify here distance, output choice, number of vocoder bands, amplitudes and frequency of radar needles. If it is first time when you use vocoder, I recommend you to set these settings on default. So I will not change it now. In my opinion, these settings are really great. So I need to click apply button to make changes to my audio. And how you see, vocoder effect has been successfully added to my recording. So let's play it now and check how it works. So I click play button. It is simple testing recording 1, 2, 3, 4. And how you see, this effect is really unique. It sounds really good. So if you would like to use it, I recommend you to check it on your project. And it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And please let me know in comment if it was helpful for you.